Welcome back, everyone. This is the one day prepare and pour slab. Because they're from Michoacan, they work fast, like I've been telling you guys, like Speedy Gonzalez. And they fell down, hurt my back. And so we poured it, and it took a little while to prepare, but poured it in 10 minutes. About that, give or take a little bit. And just the rest of the time finishing it off. But nice little platform right there. Can park anything up on there, maybe a little tiny house even. Thank you guys for all the new subscribers. Thanks for watching the videos. This is the one day prep and pour.